Can architecture reflect the ideals of unity and peace? Can a building embody the spirit of inclusivity and oneness of humanity? The answers lie in the heart of India's capital, Delhi, where an architectural marvel, the Lotus Temple, stands as a testament to these ideals. The Lotus Temple, an ethereal white structure, unfurls its petals against the azure Indian sky. Completed in the year 1986, this mesmerizing edifice is a Baha'i house of worship, welcoming individuals of all faiths to its tranquil embrace. The design, inspired by the lotus flower, comprises 27 freestanding marble-clad petals arranged in clusters of 3 to form 9 sides, symbolizing the unity in diversity of human race and religions. The creative mind behind this masterpiece is none other than Iranian-Canadian architect Fariborz Sabah. His vision brought to life a structure that not only captivates the eye with its striking exterior, but also provides a tranquil space within its prayer hall for reflection and meditation. Step inside the central hall, and you'll find a space devoid of religious symbols, a space that encourages individuals to reflect on their spiritual journey in silence. This is a place where all are welcome, where the Baha'i principle of the unity of all religions finds its fullest expression. The Lotus Temple, in its serene and welcoming presence, annually draws millions of visitors from across the globe. It fosters a spirit of harmony and understanding, echoing the universal Baha'i teachings of love, peace, and the elimination of prejudice. But the Lotus Temple is more than just an architectural wonder. It's nestled amidst lush landscaped gardens and reflecting pools, providing a serene retreat from the bustling city outside. It's a beacon of hope and inspiration, a symbol of unity and peace that resonates in the heart of Delhi. As we conclude, the Lotus Temple stands not just as a testament to architectural brilliance, but also as an embodiment of spiritual inclusivity. Its significance extends beyond its beautiful lotus form. It's a monument that promotes unity, peace, and understanding, a beacon that shines a light on the oneness of humanity. The Lotus Temple, in its quiet and dignified way, continues to inspire and remind us of the power of unity and the tranquility of peace.